Safaricom has been involved in environmental conservation for a very long time. This is not the first time we are doing conservation. We've worked with Rhino for over 10 years, having contributed 250 million for the various conservation. So this year has been a very, very exciting Rhino charge. We have managed to raise 75 million, 60 million through M-PESA Foundation, 15 million directly to the chairman, and being the network partner for the charge. So the current initiatives of Safaricom aimed at environmental conservation are threefold. The first one is initiatives around biodiversity restoration, so ecosystem restoration. That's where the 5 million trees come in. The second initiatives are around circularity. This is where we do all our waste management, e-waste collection. They are covered in the circularity pillar. And the third one is decarbonising society, where we aim to create products and services, for instance, M-PESA, that helps the society reduce their own carbon footprint. We work with the communities, the livelihoods. If you had seen here at the charge, the community got a cool 10 million just by letting and hosting this. So for me, conservation is about what are the benefits to Safaricom, the benefits to the country, and the benefits to the local community. So I'm excited to one day sit down and quantify all this and say this has been our contribution.